Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some very latest job updates from Ernst & Young. So Ernst & Young company is recruiting for various posts. We are going to see all those details. There is updates for freshers and also for experienced candidates. So if you are interested, please to watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please to subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. The first post that we are going to discuss is Cloud Engineer. The location they have given is Bengaluru is a location. Currently, most of these jobs will be work from home, but later on we'll have to relocate to the Bengaluru location. Okay. So, the location is Bengaluru. The date of posting also they have given it is 23rd of July is the date of posting of this job. They have given the job description here. Also, they have given the responsibilities, qualification, certifications and all. So you should be having knowledge of configuration management of tools such as DSC, Puppet or equivalent. Work with infrastructure tools. Then familiarity with Windows, Linux, OS build process. Experience operating in an agile team. Okay. So these are the responsibilities they are asking for. Also they have given the job description here. So that is the first post, which is for cloud engineer. They have not asked for any experience or anything. So if you are interested in cloud area or if you are having this knowledge, you can definitely try for the first post, which is for a cloud engineer. Okay. The second post is a UI developer post. So the post name is UI developer, location is Kochi. The date of posting is 22nd of July. So with every post, you can see the date of posting also. So you just verify that whether it is a recent or a latest update, only then you need to apply. Okay. So scroll down, you can see the job description. Also, they have given the knowledge and skill requirements. Also, the experience they have asked is 2 years of hands-on experience in building UIs. Okay. So if you are from a UI design background, if you have already worked with UI designing, at least if you are having 2 years of experience, only then you need to apply for this post. Okay. A lot of people are actually commenting regarding experience candidate updates. So if you are from a UI design background, you can definitely try for this job. Also, they have given the technical requirements. Deep knowledge of all UI technologies, JavaScript, TypeScript, Angular, CSS, HTML. These are the requirements. So these requirements, if you are having, also if you are UI design, if you are having experience in UI designing, you can definitely try for the second post, which is for a UI developer. Okay. So the location also I have shared, it is Kochi is the location. Okay. The third post is Salesforce staff. The location is Hyderabad. It is a very recent update. 4th August is the date of posting. Now let us have a look on the job responsibilities. Okay, before that, what is this job? This job is actually about design, develop, test, document and deploy high quality business solutions on the SFDC platform. Okay, so that is the area of job here. Now the responsibilities is in-depth understanding of SFDC profiles, roles, responsibilities and sharing. Also, Visualforce apps, Force.com API web services. If you are having this area of knowledge, you can apply. Also, if you are having a Salesforce certification, you will get a preference. Okay. So this is a Salesforce related job. Okay. So if you are interested, if you have worked in that area, then you need to apply. Okay. Just like this, if you just scroll down, you can see a lot of other posts also for freshers and also for experienced candidates. So this link I'll be sharing in description. You can see various job updates is there for various locations all around India, not just in Bengaluru or Kochi. A lot of openings is there in Gurgaon, in Hyderabad, in Trivandrum. For various locations, there is openings. Okay. So you can just scroll down through this various posts, and whichever post you are finding is suitable, you can apply for those. Okay. So we have specifically seen 3 posts in today's video. Just like this, you can see a lot of other posts also. Okay. Now talking about the selection process, the selection process will be consisting of mainly 3 stages. The first stage will be aptitude test. So there will be questions from aptitude, reasoning, analytical reasoning, verbal reasoning, all those areas. The second round will be technical rounds, and the technical rounds will be depending on whichever post you are applying for. There will be in-person interviews, and also there will be various coding rounds if it is for a programmer related post. Okay, so that will be the second round, which is technical round. Then the third round will be HR round. That is going to be the 3 stages of selection. So if you are interested, you can definitely try for these jobs. So I'll be posting the links in description. Just go through them, and if you are finding those suitable, you can apply for it, and please do apply for it as soon as possible. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share the video with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.